Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra series has really evolved when it comes to design. Think back to the Galaxy S20 Ultra. It had those smooth, rounded corners. The S21 Ultra kept that same look too. But then came the S22 Ultra and Samsung flipped the script. Suddenly, we got a boxy design with sharp corners. It looked sleek, futuristic, and a little aggressive. But let's be honest, it wasn't the most comfortable thing to hold. Those corners could really dig into your hand. That design stuck around for the S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra, but with the S25 Ultra, Samsung finally listened to the feedback. They brought back rounded corners, making it way easier to hold, similar to what Apple did with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which leaned heavily into curves. Now, the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra is taking that idea even further. According to well-known leaker Ice Universe, all four corners are getting even more rounded. The goal? A phone that feels smoother, more natural, and simply better in your hand. Of course, some people will argue Samsung is copying Apple, but honestly, this feels less about imitation and more about improving comfort and usability. And it's not just the corners changing. The S26 Ultra is rumored to be thinner, lighter, and overall easier to handle. That said, it might also be a little taller and wider, so while it'll feel sleeker, the size increase could balance things out. We'll have to wait for the official renders to see exactly how it shapes up. The display is also getting a tiny upgrade, from 6.86 inches on the S25 Ultra to 6.89 inches this time. But don't worry, it's not because the phone's bulkier, it's thanks to slimmer bezels. More screen, same manageability. So overall, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be another solid release. Rounded corners, a thinner and lighter frame, more power, and a clear focus on comfort in daily use. If Samsung pulls this off, that'll be 3 straight years of Ultra models that really delivered. But I want to hear from you. Do you prefer the sharp, boxy look of the older Ultras, or are you glad Samsung is bringing back the curves? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.